Hello, chalo bhai. Let's read the tape on NQ today, right? This is NQ daily. This is NQ 1 minute, right? आपको दिख रहा है? This fucking choppy ass price action here. Well, I'm gonna take you here. I'm gonna take you into this chart here, right? So see the difference between both ES's and NQ's daily chart. Like I want to see if ES wants to attack this Thursday's low, or if this array SIBI wants to get used as an inversion array here. If consequent encroachment can be respected on ES here, I would go long on ES, right? Here, the idea is a bit different, right? We have this little volume imbalance here. We have sell side liquidity here. I'm going to take this wick and I'm going to grade it, right? Drop it into a 15. This dark blue box is our Monday's opening range gap. So we have this much area that is not filled in, right? This much area is not filled in. Yeah, it's not filled in. So I want to see if the open wants to go lower, right? ES, see, ES is not as weak. See how it's not correlated, bro. It's fucked up. It's literally fucked up, man. So yeah, I want to see what ES does here. So I'm going to be taking a close look at. I'm going to be taking a close look at the 15 here. Right, market's going to open in about 4 minutes. Right, this is going to be my primary chart where I'm going to execute. For the levels, I'm looking at this wick here, right? And yeah, that's it. Sell side here. So it looks like it's going to this sell side, doesn't it? It does. But you all have to be a little careful today, because you'll see when market opens. You'll see. Trust me. Okay, let's keep it light today. I'm going to be paper trading. I'm not going to be trading my real funds today, because one of my protocol is to take a look at what 1 minute did prior. Yeah, this is not me, bro. Trust me, this ain't me. This ain't me. Dixie. So this is okay. I wanted to show you this one. So this is a clustering of opening range gap. The reason we could frame the trade towards these lows and these lows is because of previous opening range gap lying here, right? Now everything depends on what Monday's opening range gap does. If it wants to use it as a premium array to sell lower, is what I want to see. Coming on Dixie. Taking a look at the daily Dixie. देखते हैं भाई. Okay, yeah. हम इस Dixie पर देख रहे हैं और हमारे पास ये BC है, include that small little volume imbalance. We closed below it, right? And we've come into this daily BC here, right? Usually, if we are strong, I would expect कि price इधर से ऊपर चले जाए, but इस पर मत आए, right? But यहाँ हमारे पास एक सिबी बना है और एक BC के inversion भी है, right? तो मैं ये एरिया देख रहा हूँ, दिस कैंडल ऐसे क्लोज हुआ है. Now I want to see कि अगर इसको एक और बार प्राइस को नीचे भेजना है to take out these relatively equal lows here and tap into this inefficiency. If it doesn't want to do, यहाँ से happily it can close avoid, because I'm bullish on dollar, right? मैं सिर्फ short term retracement की expect कर रहा हूँ so that I can frame something on NQ. 5 minute comes into this previous new week opening gap, relatively equal lows छोड़े, short term high जाता है, CB तक जाता है इधर, right? And then breaks down here again. Now I want to see what Dixie does, right? 1 minute to open, so let's go here and let's just enjoy today. Enjoy the fucking day, right? Yes, sir. So I'm going to be taking a look at the opening range gap that's going to form. इधर भी दिखा दूंगा. So I'm going to take the daily off of here. What I'm going to show you, just a pure naked 1 minute chart with 8:30 opening price highlighted and 7:30 true open highlighted. That's it. That's all. Basic shit. No ambiguity, no complication, nothing. All right, there you go. We have our open, right? And we have a premium org. No, I mean, we have a discount opening range gap. That means it gapped lower, right? So I'm looking at another screen, but if I want to show you, see, we gapped lower, right? मेरे पास है इधर, I'm watching it, right here, right? So Nice, 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 nice. Okay, so I'm gonna come back here and I'm gonna take a close look at the 1 minute. See, again, this is exactly what you want to see if you're looking for shorts, right? Price is going higher. Zoom out करके देखते हैं, relative equal highs है इधर. As of now, Monday's opening range gap का lower quadrant हो रहा है, respect, right? We have a minor buy side there. Let me get the opening range gap just for reference. तो बहुत light करूँगा because I don't want it to fall on my eyes, right? And I'm gonna take quadrants and इसको भी मैं बहुत light कर दूँगा because I really don't want it to fall on my bloody eyes on a morning. Okay, so this is the opening range gap above us, right? Lower quadrant, equilibrium के पास we have equal highs here. एरिया के ये equal highs बढ़िया लग रहा है for some reason, right? So I'm just looking at it, right? अभी खुला है, no interest, you know, I'm gonna give it time, right? ना मिले तो उससे भी बढ़िया. This high was breached on ES, right? This minor buy side. So there's an SMT like this. देखते हैं. कोई दिलचस्पी नहीं है अभी, आप भी सिर्फ आप लोग वेट करोगे फर्स्ट प्रेजेंटेड का. मैं आपको बहुत पेशेंटली I'm gonna teach you how to trade here. Oh, oops. Some 15-minute busy here and the daily busy is underneath us. This is the daily busy. Ye wala, it's underneath us. So I want to see if it wants to get into there, right? Now we have entered this wick here. हम इस पर enter हुए अभी. अब हम देखते हैं. This could be our potential first presented here. ES wants to catch up lower, वो भी देख रहा हूँ. Yes, ES right now, see, it's catch up हो रहा है. ये high उठा लिया, यहाँ SMT है. Here as well, stacked SMTs at the highs. Sell side taken there, very important, right? Note that sell side उठाया अभी. Want to see if ES also wants to lead. See, that's our potential first presented FEG. fails to get to 8:30 opening, that's weakness, right? We're below midnight, we're below 9:30. Oh, wait a minute. I think I fucked up the org. I think I did. यहाँ होना चाहिए open. Okay. Okay. Upper quadrant is getting respected here. Okay, that's weakness. That's very nice. Let's watch. I'm going to be watching this inefficiency, and I'm going to be watching this wicks consequent encroachment there. It's coming back into Monday's opening range gap low. Either, right? So I'm watching it. Right, I'm watching it. पूरा fill किया Monday's opening range gap, takes out this पूरा sell side there. Right? ES ये low उठा ही नहीं है. So ES is weaker and ES is stronger. Okay, taps into that inefficiency. ES पर भी inefficiency में tap करती है, right? ES का first presented is above us, so वो अभी तक tap हुआ नहीं है here. So let me show you. ES first presented ये है, NQ का first presented ये है, right? अब इधर देख रहा हूँ मैं क्या करना चाहती है NQ. डॉलर को देखे, डॉलर हो गई bearish. देखा मैंने कहा था डॉलर इज bearish, तो डॉलर नीचे जाएगी. And अगर NQ wants to go higher is what I want to explore, right? Relative equal highs पड़े ऊपर, but देखते हैं. Nothing as of now because I need evidences from price saying कि इसको ऊपर जाना है, right? क्योंकि I could be entirely wrong. It could go lower as well because हमारे पास, you know, we have that wicks consequent encroachment we could look at, right? But again, देखते हैं. I don't know. Why don't I trust the shorts? For some reason, I don't. It breaks below that low. Very nice. Gold is bullish, by the way. Gold is bullish. Gold दिखा. See, gold is बढ़िया है. These are the levels I highlighted. I think this is an hourly inversion, making a run towards this buy side here. Okay, see why I said how shorting that is a bad idea? Buddy, there is a reason I'm doing this. Right? There is a reason. There is a fucking reason here that I'm the one teaching. Right? Taps again into inefficiency. ES के तो भाई अलग नशे चल रहे भाई. Look at ES क्या कर रही है. 15 मिनट देखे ES का. ये सी इन्वर्जन के अपर क्वाड्रेंट पर है, फेल करती है लोअर को हाफ रीच करना, सो ईएस पर ये इन्वर्जन की तरह एक्ट कर रही है ना? Okay, let's see. The game could be on. See, I'm happy. If I take a stop out, I take a stop out. It's fine. It's not a big deal. Okay, I want to see this act as an inversion array. Okay, I'm going to go long right there. Oh, काम कर जा chod. Man, this bullshit ass paper trading account, fam. ICT was right. I want to buy this wick, man. अभी तक नहीं हुआ है, bro. Bro, what the fuck? I'm supposed to get in here. Oh, there you go. What a bitch ass fill, bro. See again, ये 4 contract. अरे पागल हो गए हो का? This is bullshit, bro. I double clicked it, remember? So stops can go there. It's a big 75 handle stop loss. Oh man, क्या glitch है, bro? What the fuck, man? Glitched out, bro. Jesus. Okay. हाँ, glitch करो भाई. करो भाई जो glitch. Anyway, partials लूँगा. Wow, trading view. Wow. यही करते रहो भाई. There is a reason ICT doesn't, fucking promote your fucking platform. It's because of this bullshit here. Let's see. I need immediate follow through, buddy. I want this candle to close above the SIBI, because as of now it's acting like a SIBI, right? I would note inversion. I want to see act as an inversion, right? So this is our order block here. That's our OB, change in the state of delivery, right? Order block's mean threshold. My stop is covering the mean threshold, right? Okay, ES is now tapping into its first presented here. I want to see speed on NQ. इसको भी inverse करें because ES अभी tap हुई है first presented को. NQ could go lower. Again, it couldn't close above it. That's not a good signature. Taking a look at a Dixie. See, Dixie is bearish. Yes, okay. Again, this is acting as a SIBI. Want to see a close above it. I'm not going to touch my stops, but I could trail it to here. But let's not touch it for now. Closed above it, act as an inversion. Doesn't look too good, right? On top of that, my stops are a little big, 76 handle. But I'll actively manage it once it starts moving into my favor, right? So we are coming from this wicks upper quadrant. That's right here. I don't know if you can see it. It's here, tabbed into here. So that's where we're coming from. That's a bearish order block. I know people could go short on this, right? Totally okay. Pretty bad. It's going to be an intense stop out on the first AM session I'm trading, which is fine, which is okay. Small inefficiency could form here. We didn't get that little nice follow through on ES, right? So that's a little problematic. It taps into the inefficiency. Now I want to see if it can come above it, right? Or my stops are gonna get attacked. That's that inefficiency. Okay, one good thing is that, okay, we didn't get any institutional order until there, so that's a good sign. Again, this SIBI, I don't want to get used as a SIBI. Instead, I want to see a close above it again. Get used as an inversion and go above. See, again, I want to see how this candle closes. ES takes out this high here. Really this correlator or whatever you want to call it. What's the real word, man? I don't even know. So yeah, as of now, that SIBI is getting respected here, right? Volume imbalance. ES takes out this high. Could be a turtle soup inside an inefficiency, right? So I'm going to be watching this volume imbalance on the on ES here. It's going to be a stop out most likely. Yeah, it is. It's all good. There we go. That's stop out right there. Could they have been at the swing low? Maybe. Let's watch price now, right? Again. These fucking people, bro. They could edge me, eh? Looking at NQ. We have those wicks here and we have that sell side here, right? So we're inside that macro 950. shouldn't have closed below the order blocks mean threshold. That's one thing. Right. It looked good until this candle. If this could have traded higher, it would have been nice. But it is what it is. It is a stop out, right? I'll teach you how to deal with a stop out, right? So you take one hit, right? And now you're gonna watch price, right? You're gonna find intel on what it wants to do, right? Sell side is taken there, right? Minus sell side is taken. फिर भी पसंद हो तो तेरी मर्जी, फिर भी पसंद हो तो तेरी मर्जी. It did close above the first presented there, bro. That's the thing, man. It looked good, man. It looked good. Looked good. It's reaching into a daily volume imbalance. This is that sell side we're looking at, right? What about Dixie? Dixie's bearish. See, it's everything is so fucked up, man. Like, I'm telling you, I'm not making excuses, brother. I'm not making excuses for this top part. I'm telling you, bro. Like, the reason for me to go long was I thought Dixie is gonna go lower. Dixie is going lower, actually. So I thought going long on NQ is a good idea to take out relative equalize, but apparently that's not what NQ wanted to do. Also, it's coming from the daily basic, right? So makes sense. Makes a whole lot of sense. At least to me, it does. Oh, I know. Where I got stopped out, you must have taken profit. I'm pretty sure. पता है भाई, पता है. Come on, stop that BS, bro. कभी कभी होता हूँ भाई stop out. Hell no, fam. देखते भाई, नीचे जाना तो जा भाई, मेरे को करना नहीं है. नहीं करना मेरे को. inside that volume imbalance, right? Yes, nice little market mix. This is that speed bump I was expecting, because yes, but if it would have first presented tha, like I entered somewhere around here, so I wanted to see कि उसके ऊपर पहुंचा, but then again ये turtle soup हो गया inefficiency के अंदर, right? And then decide to stop me at, which is okay, completely fine. चलता है Dixie is coming from this busy and this inversion, which makes ये क्या है इसको अपना 3 minute CB that's formed. See here, the thing is, let's talk about losses a little bit, right? आपने एक loss ले लिया है, right? I could have flipped my bias here and gone short there, right? But again, when I was expecting for higher prices without giving market some time, going short, अगर obvious सा draw पड़ा है तो ठीक है. Other than that, अगर आप कर रहे हो, then you're like, अरे क्या ये क्या हो रहा है, right? So आप एक stop out लो, right? थोड़ा 10-15 मिनट दो market को, what see what the market wants to do, right? थोड़ा chill out करो, it's okay. थोड़ा बहुत सारी your body gets flooded with chemicals, right? Cortisol goes up, a lot of shit, so especially when you're playing with money, right? क्योंकि भाई पैसे से खेल रहे हो भाई, it does make it does affect your body, बहुत affect करता है भाई. So फिर भी पसंद हो तो तेरी मर्जी, फिर
Switch up, notes drop, compare and contrast.
अरे यार क्या आ जाता है बेंचो. अरे ICT was live, bro.
Paying contractors overseas shouldn't feel like a job. To get
अभी
remitted for business.
3 minute पहले, bro. What the hell?
This is what FX Replay actually does. You only need to pick a real day from the past, future, stock, forex. All right, folks, welcome back. All right, so we're looking at the 15-minute time frame for NASDAQ. So to not do that, I'd actually prefer not even touch the consequent encouragement once it takes that low out. And as I mentioned yesterday, it's also the liquidity pool resting right there. Outside of balance, outside efficiency creates that inefficiency that we shaded in yesterday. So we only have to get a short trade based on things like I'm teaching here. You want to take the bulk of your trade off here and at least something on as a runner, like 1 or 2 contracts, to see if you can get below that.
Okay.
We have this high here. I don't think that's a factor immediately right now. So I'm going to zoom in just in this area here with these levels. So just touching the high of it is on the next one. We're pretty lucky. Yeah, we're down. If it's staying close to it. Yeah. It's welcome to go lower, obviously. What it's done here is sufficient enough. So we're going to rather handsomely here. Type of thing. If nothing wrong with this, where it's at. If someone was short, full screen.
Nice.
That was fun.
बस इतना ही कह रहा था भाई. I think वो इधर ही कही है, लाइक व्हेन आई वाज लॉन्ग, आई थिंक ही प्रेडिक्टेड दिस, ये ड्रॉप जो था 9:30 को, एंड दैट वाज इट, ही क्विटेड. So yeah, it's 10:01, right? I'm thinking to close it. Just stop, like आज stop करते हैं भाई, एक stop out हो गया, क्या हो गया? 75 handle के एक stop लिया है, not a big deal, right? पूरा हफ्ता पड़ा है. And on top of that, it's not my real account, so real account पर मैं करूँगा नहीं भाई. Look at this. See, real account पर कर नहीं रहा हूँ मैं. Why? Because मेरे को एक चीज़ पता लगा था, I could be I get it, shots बने बड़े, you know, बढ़िया बने 950 macro पर, I understand. I get it, brother. But again, this is not what I want to trade. Zigzag. ओ भाई, कभी कभी तो स्टॉप आउट लेना पड़ेगा भाई. Because you know, fuck yeah, you know what I say. Oh, ये क्या कर दिया मैंने? All right. It's coming from this daily volume imbalance, ES और NQ both पर, right? तो मेरे को देखना ही है if it wants to go higher. Most likely not. So I could be completely wrong because Dixie भी bearish bullish हो गया. So if I'm attempting, I honestly won't attempt anything else, right? Uh, Jiggy time we should jiggy time we should Comment section में लोग कुछ भी आके बोलते हैं bro. One guy is like, ICT is just advanced version of SMC. पागल हो गए हो क्या? You're fucking naive, brother. ICT is just advanced version of SMC. No, it's not. The whole word SMC was introduced by ICT. Before ICT, ये बच्चे लोग हैं भाई. That's the reason. ये बच्चे लोगों को कुछ पता नहीं है. आपको अभी पता लगा है SMC के बारे में. You think you don't know what was happening before. माइकल कब से in the game? 30 साल से है. When did he start making his content? When did he start taking his price? The whole word SMC was introduced by Michael. Not the other way around. कुछ भी बहन चोद. कुछ भी बोलते हैं भाई. सुबह सुबह आकर मैं लेकिन गोल्ड देखते हैं भाई, थोड़ा गोल्ड वोल्ड देखते हैं. Let's come back to a 5 minute, 15. Let's see if gold wants to go higher. थोड़ा मिसराइड हो गया आज NQ because my ES I wanted to see if ES wants to lead again. I kind of married my bias. होता है, it's okay. But the thing is, stop out होना is not a big deal. Oh wow. Okay, now I see. Dixie to go higher. Yeah, stop out होना is not a problem. आप कैसे react करते हो stop out पर, right? आपका अगर सर ज़्यादा गर्म हो रहा है, that means you don't know what you're doing. But आप जैसे मैं stop out हुआ, right? You know how chill I was with it? Even though मेरा entry misfill हुआ, but फिर भी मैं बहुत chill था उसके बारे में because I was ready to take another stop out, क्योंकि मैंने stop हटाया भी नहीं, मैंने stop swing low पर भी नहीं किया, क्योंकि I was ready कि हाँ कोई बात नहीं, करने दो, कोई बात नहीं. Because short term trade ही देख रहा था. I just wanted to get into 830 opening price and that was it. वो ही देखना था मेरे को. But नहीं मिला. It's okay. कल कर लेंगे. क्या हो गया? This is the problem. ये आप एक ही दिन पर आकर don't ego पर ज़्यादा झटका लिया. See, I do this shit in front of everyone, social media पर. So I should be the one that has to bring in a lot of ego, right? Because people are watching me. But do I? No, because that's not trading. Because trading is very different from making content and posting on Instagram, right? Trading is very different. Like when I'm on my charts, like when I'm talking to you right now on my charts, and when I log in, doesn't matter if it's a paper account or a real account, that little ghost version of you, the ghost in the machine, that little trader ego steps in, right? Ronnie steps in. That's not my real name as well, but Ronnie steps in when he looks at the charts, right? On the other side, I'm just a regular guy. जो मेरा असली नाम है. That's me, who I am. But when I'm on my charts, it's like a whole alter ego, where I have to look at the candlesticks, accept my losses, right? Accept my mistakes, and move forward without making the equity curve go down too much, right? Because that's the whole game. The whole game is to be net profitable by the end of the week, by the end of the month, by the end of the year, by the end of the quarter. Right? So, I see price accumulating in here, right? Again, these relative equal highs are so nice for me. We will come there, but maybe later, not today. Maybe later during the day. But yeah, this is that closest sell side. So I'm not going to fight the order flow, right? And I'm also not going to short this because we are in deep discount. I don't want to be shorting this. That's one of the reasons I longed this, is because we were in a discount, right? I thought कि short term ये wick के अंदर enter होने के बाद upper quadrant से it could go fill in, ये भी गलत है. Yeah, fill in 75 and at least 50% of the ओपनिंग रेंज गैप जहां हमारे पास रिलेटिव इक्वल हाइस पड़े थे. बट अगर नहीं देना था तो नहीं देना था. इट्स ओके. क्या हो जाएगा? कुछ नहीं होगा. एनीवे, दैट वाज इट. सी, दिस इज इट. व्हेन यू टेक अ स्टॉप आउट, आपका हो गया, राइट? कितना था? लेट मी सी. दैट्स वेयर आई एंटर्ड. समवेयर अराउंड हियर. चूतिया फिल ब्रो. वेयर वाज माय स्टॉप? Somewhere around there, right? So that's an 80 handle loss on 2 micros. How many dollars is that? 80 times 4 is $360 loss, right? 360 loss per stop करो. घर जाओ. It's fine. I'm telling you guys. I'm teaching you. Like because trading is a game where losses are a part. It's inevitable. ICT khud, he took a loss yesterday when he was trying to go short and then he flipped his bias, he went long, right? I'm not going to do that here. I can flip my buys and go short here. I was thinking कि इधर short करूँ. I was thinking, even though मैंने inversion में ऐसे orange करके रखा है, but I was watching ES as well. I was like, should I? If I did, it would have played out in my favor. But again, नहीं करना है मेरे को. It's fine, you know. I told कि ये हफ्ता I'm going to take it real easy, right? That's why मैंने तो see so many factors. First of all, I told कि पहले ही मैंने कहा कि I want to take this week a little easy, right? And then I'm not trading my life funds because all of these three assets are really, you know, this uncorrelated. ES तो बहुत अभी ES catch up कर ली, right? But उसके पहले तो catch up नहीं कर पाई. Dixie भी was giving me a false idea कि it wants to go lower. Right, but now Dixie has traversed higher, so NQ could go push lower, right? Something like this would have been a trade. Anyway, I'm gonna cut it, right? And that was it for today's tape reading session. Let's see. Let me know how the video was, right? But yeah, let's go because it's Argentina's game. आज 12 बजे 2 घंटे में शुरू होने वाला है. So I'm gonna, you know, make some food, get ready. मजे करना है मेरे को. अर्जेंटीना इजिप्ट के साथ है भाई. Anyway, take it easy, boys.